Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how to hide some drives in Windows. So to do that, we have a direct option in the Windows. I'll show you how you can do that. First, click on Start plus R means just run command. Windows plus R, no. This will open the run command, and you need to execute a command like gpedit.msc. You need to type it exactly gpedit.msc. Start R and gpedit.msc, and this will open the local group editor where we can find the option like user configuration. Click on it and then click on administrative templates. I'll write the path here so you can pause the video and parallelly you can do this now. Click on user configuration, admin templates. Okay, now you can click on Windows components. So under Windows components, I'll write here first Windows components. Then click on File Explorer. You can see option like File Explorer here. In some Windows 7 or something like that, it will be like Windows Explorer. So this is my Windows 10, so it is appearing as File Explorer. For Windows 7 and everything, you will see option like Windows Explorer. So in that, File Explorer. Okay, and again come from starting. Okay, under user configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, File Explorer, and here we can find the option to hide the drives. So hide these specific drives in my computer. So this is the option. You need to double click on this and you need to click on enable here. By default it will be in the state of not configured. You need to click on enable and you can click on the drop down and choose what drive you want to restrict. So I want to restrict D drive and click on apply here. Choose the drop down option and you need to click on apply and click on OK. So now my D drive will be disabled. After doing this, you need to run a command called gpupdate /force. So what this will do means this will just update the changes what we have made just now. So Windows R and gpupdate /force. So we'll check in my computer. So I'll just refresh here. Okay, my D drive is disappeared, means that is just hidden. So this is how simply we can make use of the option that how to hide the drives in computer. So the major difference is File Explorer and Windows Explorer from Windows 10 to Windows 7 in the option. So just follow the path what I have showed you here and you can hide that particular drive what you have chosen in the drop down. Anyway, we can open the D drive here. I'll show you. Even though it is hidden, I can directly go to the path here. There is a previous path, means if you manually enter the D drive in the search bar. Okay, this particular file is not available in my computer. I'll remove that path and I'll just open the D drive. Okay, the D drive is opening, but it won't show in the my computer list. Here, if you observe, won't show in my computer list. Okay, if you want to unhide, same, you just go to the path there and click on not configured and click on apply and click on OK. Then your drive will be reappeared in this list. And hiding is same. Just disable that option